The first element for the formation of a valid binding contract is offer. Definition of offer under Section 2A of the Contracts Act. When one person signifies to another. Signifies here means menyatakan, menyampaikan, meluahkan, bagi tahu to another his willingness to do something. So maknanya kalau tadi contoh Ali tanya, Abu, do you want to buy my house? Ali tadi is making signifies to another, to Abu, that he wants to do something. Apa dia? Dia nak jual rumah. With a view to obtaining the assent of the other. Dengan tujuan, dengan niat obtaining the assent. Assent ni makna consent, agreement, acceptance, persetujuan of that other party. So that person is making an offer. So maknanya kat sini, you should understand now, by now, that offer is that where someone dia promise something, promise to do something. And then dia nak promise to the other party yang dia address the promise to agreed with him. So that is an offer. Let's say Izan tanya, Mursyid, do you want to buy my phone? So you explain lah phone dia macam mana, apa model and so on, right? Okay, how much you want to sell? It means that dia signify to Mursyid, he wants to sell his phone. Dia bagi tahu yang dia nak jual phone dia. And what's the purpose? Dia tanya Mursyid dengan tujuan Mursyid setuju ke tak? To obtain the assent of Mursyid. Whether Mursyid agreed or not to buy his phone. So that is an offer. Okay, next point, how to make an offer. How to make an offer in two ways. One is express, one is implied. What is the meaning of express offer? Implied offer pula. Apa dia?
Express tu dalam perkataan macam tu.
It can be verbal, it can be in writing. So long as you use words in making your offer. So macam tadi Izan kata, Syed, nak beli tak phone ni? Verbal kan, cakap je kan? So that is an express offer. Or maybe you text atau you WhatsApp dekat Mursyid. WhatsApp, lepas tu hantar gambar phone tu semua and so on. So that one is in writing. And still you are using words. In that case, it is express offer. So apa beza pula dengan implied?
Kalau macam contoh DG, dia ada buat plan internet, lepas tu ada offer untuk apa ni, kalau beli plan tu dapat handphone. Itu dia kira offer.
You kira offer. Tapi okay, bila DG tu dia bagi tahu dia ada ni semua tu, ada tulisan tak? Ada bertuliskan?
Ada.
So that itu express offer.
Oh.
Faham? Okay, katakanlah you tunggu bas. Kan, you tunggu bas tu sampai depan you. Kat situ ada offer tau. Siapa yang offer?
Pemandu bas.
Pemandu bas. Right? Ada tak dia menggunakan perkataan?
Tak.
Impliedly you dah tahu yang the bus offer to give you the service to bring you, to carry you, to transport you to your destination. Ada tak dia kata, okay, ni tawaran, siapa nak pergi Segamat, Ada tak dia cakap?
Tak ada.
Tak ada kan?
Kita tahu yang kita nak guna khidmat tu.
So kita assume, kita boleh imply, kita boleh infer that bila bus tu lalu and then kalau you tahan dia stop, kalau dia stop maknanya dia agree to bring you to the destination, maknanya kat situ lah dia offer. This offer is implied, right? Termaklum. Maknanya kalau dia stop tu, okay, now impliedly he is making an offer to allow you to get onto the bus, right, and bring you to the destination. Another situation, let's say you go to the cafe. You go to the self-service cafe. Bila you take the food, you take the chicken ke the gravy and rice and so on tu, put into your plate. And you bring the plate of food to the cashier to make the payment. So your conduct here, taking the food and bring to the cashier to make the payment, that is an implied offer. So meaning cashier tu bila nampak you datang nak bayar, impliedly cashier understood that you are making an offer to buy the food. Ada tak awak cakap, pakcik saya buat tawaran nak beli nasi ni dengan ayam ni dengan, ada tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. So there is no usage of words. That is implied offer. Next point, types of offer pula. Types of offer, we have two types. What are they? Specific, general. Specific offer means address ditujukan to a specific or particular person or groups of person. So the rule, apa law dia? The law is that who can accept? Only that particular person. So tadi bila Izan offer nak jual phone dia pada Mursyid, Izan offer nak sell his phone to Mursyid, so meaning that that is a specific offer. So the rule is that only Mursyid can make the acceptance. Kalau Mursyid nak belilah. If any other person make the acceptance, tiba-tiba lah, Badrul. Tiba Badrul lah pula kata, Izan, I want to buy your phone. Badrul yang nak buat acceptance, so is it binding on Izan?
No.
No. Why? Because the offer is only addressed to Mursyid. So only Mursyid can make the acceptance. Kalau tak adalah. No contract. Tiba-tiba datang Badrul yang dengar, Badrul nak accept. No. There is no valid binding contract between Badrul and Izan. Because Izan only offered to Mursyid. Okay. So next, general offer. So what is a general offer? Reward if you found that missing person, missing lady, missing child, ataupun you may you reward for dead or alive ni Billy the Kid ni orang kata penjenayah dia kan okay, the culprit, the bandits, okay. So kalau you dapat tangkap bandits ni, culprit ni, then you entitled for $5,000. So here this is a general offer. Why general offer? Because it is addressed to whom?
Everyone who see that offer.
Yes, to the public, anyone who read the advertisement, who saw the advertisement, kebetulan pula lepas tu dia fulfill the requirement of the offer. Apa dia fulfill the requirement? Maknanya offer kat sini ada syarat tak?
Ada.
What's the condition?
Itu tu kalau dia jumpa orang tu, itulah condition dia kan.
Yes. So under general offer, anybody can accept, but he must be the one who fulfill the requirement of the offer. So requirement kata apa? If you found that missing lady or missing child, ataupun if the one who caught this bandit, Billy the Kid ni, in that case you entitled for the reward. Tibalah kalau you are not the one who found this lady, can you just go to the party who make the offer and say, I want to claim for that $15,000?
No, madam.
Why?
Because I did not follow the requirement.
Yes, correct. Because you did not fulfill or follow the requirement of the general offer. If you fulfill, then only you entitled for the reward for the offer. Next, we come to the condition. Condition of an offer. The offer, if does not fulfill these two conditions, in that case, the offer itself is not valid. What are the conditions? What are the syarat sah dia? First, it must be certain. The offer must be clear, must be definite, must be detailed, terperinci. So, tadi katakanlah you make an offer to sell your phone to your friend. Your offer tu must be certain. So, what type of phone? Kalau kata iPhone berapa? Vivo berapa? What colour, model dia, the price must be certain. So let's say you make an offer. Mursyid, you want to buy my phone. Mursyid kata, okay, boleh? How much you want to sell? Tiba si Izan ni dia tak determine lagi. 400 boleh? 500 lah. Ikutlah, terpulang. So is that offer certain or not?
No.
No, it is uncertain. So bila uncertain, the offer itself is not valid. Offer tu sendiri tak sah. Sebab dia tak fulfill the condition. The condition must be certain. So kalau tak certain, the offer itself is not valid. Kalau offer dah tak valid, is there any acceptance?
No acceptance.
Yes. There is no contract. Second, must be communicated. Mesti disampaikan. What is the meaning of communicated here? It is not sufficient that you just say that, saya dah bagi tahu dah. Macam tu tak boleh. The offer must reach the knowledge of the offeree. Maknanya acceptor tadi. If there is no communication, no valid offer. Contoh kalau general offer tadi, you dah tampal dah semua iklan pasal reward tu. On the part of the offerer, dia memang nak communicate. Dia dah tampal semua merata dah. Masuk media sosial pun dah sampai dah. Sekejapan sampai everything, right? Information. Tetapi let's say this one particular person yang kebetulan jumpa budak yang hilang tadi tu, coincidentally he was the one who found the child, but he did not know about the offer. Maksudnya dia macam tak pernah tahu, tak pernah dengar about the offer. So in that case, there is still no valid offer. Bila kata no valid offer, even though you found the child and you return the child safely to the parents ataupun to the police, you are not considered as making the acceptance. Why? Because the offer itself is not valid. Why not valid? Sebab the offer was not communicated to you.
So dia tak kira apa ni, apa offer tu bagi dia tak valid lah.
Yes, katakanlah you yang jumpa budak tu kan, but you did not know about the advertisement of the general offer about the reward. Kebetulan you tengok budak ni tengah merayau macam dengan comot-comotnya semua everything. Parents dia ni mana? So what would you do? Biasanya lah kalau you jumpa budak ni.
Pergi hantar balai polis lah.
Yes, you pergi hantar polis. Bila you hantar ke polis, as if you dah fulfill the requirement of the general offer. Betul tak?
Betul.
You dah fulfill. You macam dah fulfill requirement of the general offer. Memang you yang pulangkan budak tu dengan selamatnya serah pada polis. However, at that time when you returning the child to the police, is it because of the offer?
No.
Yes, because you tak tahu about the offer. Meaning that the offer was not communicated to you. Maksud communication tu, it must reach the knowledge of the offeree.
Kalau macam tiba-tiba parents tu macam dia nak bagi juga, lepas tu dah tu still dikira offer ke tak?
Bila parents, kalau dia nak bagi, yes, dia dapat. Tapi kalau tibalah mak bapak dia ni, Arif ni tak tahu pun pasal offer, tak minta pun duit tu, dia pun buat diam je. So in that case, the parents is not under a contract, under legal contract to make the payment to Arif because Arif did not know about the offer. Even though later on, lepas lah Arif dia kan, dia dah hantar budak tu selamat semua, dia keluar daripada balai polis, tiba-tiba ternampak notis tu dekat depan tembok balai polis tu.
Dah terlambat lah.
Yes, dah terlambat. Kalau you nak claim, you nak minta, dah terlambat because by the time when you returning the child safely to the police, still you are not considered as making an acceptance. Why? Because at that time when you return the child, you did not know about the offer. Kecuali lah tadi Husna cakap, tiba parents tu tetaplah nak bagi. Banyak lagi hal can happen. Contohlah, kan Adiba tiba nak jual buku pada Sabrina. So pakai message. Adiba pun WhatsApp. Sabrina, I want to sell to you my book. Ni, harga berapa semua. Dah tunjuk gambar semua, everything. Hantar. Dekat Sabrina. Kebetulan, masa tu Sabrina, handphone dia masuk longkang. Sabrina tahu tak about the offer? Tak tahu. So, in that case, the offer is not valid. Tak sah. Not communicated. So, lepas Sabrina dah dapat balik handphone, dah repair ke macam mana ke, dia boleh detect balik message tu. So tiba Sabrina kata, memang nak beli buku ni. Sabrina pun nak beli. So dia nak beli, by the time dia nak beli, Adibah dah jual pun buku tu pada orang lain. Can Sabrina sue Adibah?
Tak boleh sebab dia tak tahu pun.
Sebab dia in the first place tak tahu about the offer. Under the law, communicate means reach the knowledge of the other party.